Hello students, I hope all of you are keeping safe. Today we will study chapter 7 of EVS. The name of the chapter is Saying Without Speaking. We have 5 sense organs in our body: eye, ear, nose, skin and tongue. Eye is used for seeing or sight. Ear is used for hearing. Nose is used for smell. Skin is used for touch. Tongue is used for taste. Most of us can hear and speak, but there are some people who can neither hear nor speak. These people talk through actions. They understand what the other person is saying by studying their lip movements. All of us cannot do everything. Some of us sing well, others write good poetry, some can climb trees quickly, while others can run fast, some can draw well, others can sing in tune. We are all special in our own ways. Therefore, in schools we can learn from each other. The children who cannot speak and hear also go to school to read and write. In schools, sign language is taught to them. Now, here we have some actions. We can also call it the sign language. As we have studied earlier, that there are some people who cannot speak, hear, or see. The people who cannot hear are called deaf. The people who cannot speak are called dumb. And the people who cannot see are called blind. Blind people use Braille script to read and write. Louis Braille invented the Braille script and therefore it is named after him. Braille is a system of reading and writing by touch. It is used by the blind and it is made up of arrangements of dots as you can see in the picture. Now we will study that why face is called a mirror. Our eyes tell a lot. Small children tell a lot through their face and hands even before they learn to speak. Let's look into these pictures and learn about facial expressions. This is Aftab. His favorite toy has fallen down and broken. He is sad. This is Julie. Her little sister was born just yesterday. She is very excited, as we can see on her face. This is Yamini's mother. Today, while Yamini was taking out the bottle of pickle from the kitchen, it fell from her hand and broke. Look at her mother's face. She looks very angry. This is Rehana. She is afraid of dogs. While playing, suddenly a dog came in front of her. Look at her face. She looks scared. So now we have understood that by looking at someone's face, we can tell if the person is happy, sad, or angry. That's why face is called mirror. We can talk through dance as well. In dance, the hand and face are used to convey feelings. These are called mudras and bhavs. The hand sign language dance are called mudras and facial expressions are called bhavs. So, that's all what we have in this chapter. We have learned that we must care about each other and respect each other because everyone is special in their own way. Thank you and all the best for your studies.